Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go back. Let me quickly and here in this section we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll and find screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, and as you can see after getting back it is notified right here, which means that from now on after 5 minutes of an activity this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.